birdie is still in here and now on the flowers. The windows are all open. We're just waiting for the birdie to figure out it can go out the windows. Probably gonna poop in my flowers. Maybe you'll fertilize them. I don't know. You can just go get your food and I'll take care of the bird, honey.
They're not doing nothing but watching it.
Well, it'll fly out when it's ready to
taking
fly
videos
out.
of it.
It's so close to that window. Don't fly onto the light. That's not a good idea. Wonder if we turn the light off if it'll feel more comfortable flying out. Bird's a little too comfortable in her house.
Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm. Come on, birdie, birdie.
Watch her.
Goofy cat. You're close. Come on.
Get her. Stop recording and watch the cat.